This is Buck and his boy sleeping. Well, his boy is sleeping. Buck just being a buck. Can't see him very well, can you? But he's a big, black, beautiful pit bull. Yes, he is. Sleeping in a big, beastly boy mess with his boy, who you might notice is now sleeping upside down. This is actually a fairly regular occurrence. There's the buck. There's the boy. There's the boy's clothes. And the boy's mess. And the buck. And the boy. And Mommy needs a new pair of shoes. She's got a job interview, so I gotta go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.